Yo, what up? What up, fam? How we doing, bruv? Monday, February 24th, 2025. Great day to be alive. Thankful every day. No matter what, nobody's on the stream. Just want to be show gratitude towards the opportunity that I get to do this every day. This is cool. It's a cool profession. Very, very cool. So, just thankful. Like I said, I'm glad I just get to do this every day. So, we'll see where old buddy wants to open up at. Am I expecting a lot? No. Absolutely not. Can. Probably will. Buy side taken. See you want to trade down a little bit lower. Probably below this low. Definitely below these lows. Volume bounce right in there. So I like that. If it wants to get overzealous, can get down that low, but right there, my boy. Right there, my boy. Quickly. Let's try this out. Little settings. Nope. Little statements. Client statements. Right? Oh. All right. AD.
Yo, hey.
What up, my boy?
Feeling better?
Um, there we go. Hey, Dizzle.
Good morning, Mr. Tyler.
Top of the morning.
Top of it, dude. Right at the top. Top of the range, top of the morning. What do you want, dude?
Top of the range. Top of the morning. I love it.
All I see, dude, is that 1 minute market maker sell model. That's it.
Yep.
That's all
That's
I
it.
got, dude.
It's it. 2022 model right there. Bang. SMT. Bang. It was a nice little extension down at 915 there.
Yeah, that's all I see, man. Massive, biggest day ever yesterday. I mean Friday.
Yep.
And then Monday, no news, dude. So here we are. With low expectations, low hanging fruit. 1 hour is nice because traded up into that fair value gap on the 1 hour,
Mm-hmm.
and then came up into the wick from 4 a.m. Didn't need the whole thing.
Hell nah, brother.
So it came up to 50% of the 1 hour fair value gap at 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. Sorry. Tried to go for it again. Didn't need it. And then that second go into it with the 9 a.m. candle hits the 75%, or the lower quadrant of the Newey open gap. So I'm liking those signatures with the swing highs there on the 1 hour. Showing it just is just showing some algorithmic signatures. Dude. Expecting one clean level, and then another clean level that's a little bit lower than it.
That's right.
To me, showing some weakness. 925 candle on Q. How we doing?
Literally. Bro, that candle's fucking trash. Yo,
That's
check out
weird, dude.
check out Twitter though. See how those videos are and what I can improve on that. It's the market breakdown. Real
I'll
quick.
check them out right
So
now.
instead of posting just screenshots, I literally just record myself for 2 minutes, a little 2 minute market breakdown real quick on both ES and NASDAQ.
All right.
That's a raw
Raw.
market breakout. Yep, just one take, baby. One take, raw. I say I say some bullshit. That's the first time I'm looking at the charts.
Eventually it'll be smooth as butter.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't mute myself, so
That's
got
fine.
fucked up. Dude, I swear I didn't see this. We already I just brought up all the same points already. 1 hour midweek. I'm like, wait. He thought, dude, I swear I didn't watch this.
Damn, check out the market real quick. Damn.
Yeah, I see that, dude. TP Schmack.
Schmack.
Dude, also that halfway, you were talking about the weekly. I think the weekly and the 1 hour look eerily similar.
No, the 1 hour half wick super nice as well.
You were talking about the weekly.
Yeah.
And I have the same analysis. I was looking at the same weekly fair value gap that we've been stuck in. I was like, oh, we're finally above it. Nope, we're back, baby. So that's
all
my
right. So
target.
instead of the analysis, how do you like the format and shit like that?
Love it.
Yeah.
Yep, I love the format. I love that you don't waste people's time. You're like, oh, I literally have a countdown.
Literally have a countdown.
This is all I'm here to just give you what you want. I'm not here to dilly dally.
Nope.
Here's the market. Here's what I see. And I like how you talk about how it'll affect your trading. Like, oh, we're in a ridiculous high time frame consolidation. Oh, that means it's gonna be really challenging. Low or high resistance liquidity run. It's gonna be nimble. Gonna have to be careful. Probably not gonna be trading much. Not sure what I want.
That's right.
I love it.
Thanks, my guy.
Dude, I've had the same fucking analysis for the last like 4 months, bro.
For literally the last months.
Like, yeah, I like this weekly fair value gap. It's been on my chart for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Really,
7,
bro.
8, 9,
I was
10,
thinking while I was recording that, I'm like,
13
dude,
weeks,
do I
dude.
want this shit in my fucking chart anymore? Because it's gotten disrespected so many times. Like, fuck this goddamn fair value gap.
13 weeks of it.
Yeah. It's a great fair value gap,
That's
but after
ridiculous.
getting disrespected 1,000 times, it's like, how good is it actually?
Yeah, like, should I target it? But yeah, dude,
well,
we're back
I mean, you
in the
could also
range.
say, like, I mean, let's say the weekly chart was a 1 minute chart, right? Like, in that weekly chart, right? What happens in a high resistance liquidity run with fair value gaps? Like, in a high resistance liquidity run pertaining to fair value gaps, what's the characteristics?
Yeah, it's not gonna be clean signatures.
Yeah, no clean signatures, and it stays in that fair value gap for a long time. Like, bro, other than last week, every week since that week, we've had price go through that fair value gap.
Yeah, and last
1,
week
2, 3,
close.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4,
12
5,
out of
6,
13
7,
or
8, 9.
I think 11 out of 12 weeks.
Yeah,
sorry, dude.
literally. No, you're good. I like try to count it, and like my cursor like fucking went over one, and I'm like,
and then I'm just also saying numbers too, which just doesn't help. I'm
No,
like 12 or 13, 11 or 12.
That's the worst. That's hilarious.
1, 2, 12, 13.
But yeah, just
easily like the hardest conditions that you can have in trading right now is high time frame, range bound.
You literally just have to scalp. Like I don't remember like a range on like the 15-minute. Like there might have been one leg on the 15-minute time frame that I could be like, yeah, I think it's going here from this fair value gap to this liquidity. Like definitively.
Yeah, I can think of one time that happened to me since December.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even, it was a very high resistance liquidity run. It used it a lot. And I was scared the whole time.
Holy NASDAQ, bro. They're all in sync right now, so.
Yeah. Oh, dude, these charts look so bad. But yeah, essentially, dude, we ran the high of the consolidation, hit the 50% and see what happens.
Run the low, run the high.
That's all I know, dude.
Like, yeah, what the hell? Like first TP,
run the high
bro.
of the day again.
I know, right? The first TP,
really
if you're in a trade, you need to get out of everything.
Yep. Full close, dude.
Full close. Just don't even mess around. That shit can turn around on you on a dime,
like, dude,
in
that's
a range.
748 low. I was like, this is the most nimble thing I can possibly pick right now.
Yep.
Wicks it. That's it.
Exactly. Doesn't even get a body over it. Where's Big Shaw?
Quitting time is on my mind. But it kind of is on my heart.
First presented already there. How you doing? First possible first presented. 9:31.
First possible, first presented.
See how I play off of there? It's absolute. Ooh. Little mohawk, see? Let's see if we can get a little legs there. Little mini 1 minute breaker. Low, high, lower, low, technically. 15-second, we can see it better.
Oh, what is this?
Dude, I have a much better camera placement right in between my monitors. But the only thing is the light from over here is so good because of my lamp is right behind my camera right here. And I'm like, damn, I wish I had that for like over here to where the light's fucking good on this side. But like I can't take my lamp and put it over there because it's going to get blocked by my fucking monitors. Unless I
What if
stack
you
it
just
up on
find like a
boards.
little like light with like a Velcro or like a little pole?
Yeah.
Or even like an LED strip that you can just put around your monitors, dude.
Yeah, I just don't want it to interfere with my fucking train. Like, because I have like, I don't know. I feel like I have sensitive eyes, but I don't know.
I do too, yeah. Getting all that white light in your eyes.
Yeah. And I wouldn't even have
LEDs
it
just
white. Like I would
shining
have it
on.
like a soft light. I wouldn't even want white. I'd want it to be like
Sure.
soft like it is right now. Like the what's that color called? I don't even know. But you know what I mean.
Yeah, I do.
Also
Alright,
change
so-
change a little something up in my routine today. I went to go work out at 7 o'clock in the morning. So then
Nice.
for
It's a move,
trading,
dude.
I have so much time now in between trading and work where I can work on my shit on what I
Yeah,
need to like,
yeah.
get done. So
Wait, yeah, lifting in the morning, dude, is the move.
yeah, it really is. Like just sacrificing another just 1 hour of sleep. So like 7 hours of like bedtime, 1 hour of sleep. I mean, I think it's gonna be worth it for me just with all the extra time that I have. Because it's just such a process, man. I also wish I just had a gym like connected to my place because I have to drive to the gym. It's like probably a 10-minute drive. So I'm
Yeah.
like, fuck. Like, I mean, those minutes are gonna count, bro. Like over a long period of time. You know. So I think we get back down to the Nawag. I like that for ES. Also for NASDAQ. Nawag's a nice little draw. 75% level of that opening range gap as well. If we can stay below this, I think we set in that intermediate term high there for a little bit. 1 minute
That's
breaker.
ridiculous, bro.
Yeah, 1 minute breaker.
To get
Last line
that
of
close
defense.
to the high of the day.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Like, well, come on, what is that?
Especially ES overnight. Like those are pretty fucking relatively equal. But yeah, breaker right here, 1 minute. Let's see if we want to keep extending lower. I think we will.
Yeah, 5 minute. I was just looking at the 5 minute breaker.
Yeah. 15-second here. Fair value gap breaker. Super clean setup. Want to get to that lower level. Let's see if I hit the levers. I'd like it if it wasn't 9:30. I'd probably take it to, I mean, at least the fucking maybe even the quarter wick of that hour chart in between there. But ES has seemed like it's a little more bearish here in that last 1 minute
Heavier.
candle. Yeah, just a wee bit. There you go. There's the consequent encroachment right there. I like to see it stay heavy. Don't even give any respect to it. Just keep going.
Yeah, he has to offer the setup on first presented.
Yeah.
But
Close, tap back in, see ya. So disrespect there. Trading lower into that Nawag, and I think we're going to end up hitting that Nawag, which is a fucking fantastic level. Good draw right there for just a nimble ass day. But, I mean, it happened at fucking 9:35, so it's just... Price could have just whipped back up and been like, yeah, fuck
with
yourself.
insane retrace too.
Yeah. So, bang, hits it right there on both of them. It's Nawag Premium. So, Nice little 30-point run from where we called it. 35-point run from where we called it.
Dude,
And
this
then look
shit
at
is
that
so
reaction.
tough.
Look at that reaction, bro. Literally first TP, bro. You gotta get the fuck out. Gotta get out.
Oh, dude, it's wild, bro. These days I've been like, just always there's a reason for me to stay out. Like the
Yeah,
amount
it's
of
like
trades I've been
everything.
avoiding. I'm like, oh yeah, that would be a good trade. However, blah 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 blah.
There's just so many
Story of
setups
my
at
life, dude.
9:30 to 9:45 that are just that look so fucking good. I just know the one trade I get in, I'm gonna get burned. I'm gonna be like, yeah, fuck that shit, and it happens to me
Yep.
every fucking time, bro.
Yeah, dude. I saw last week. I saw that time distortion setup I like, but I saw
Yeah.
it as a 2022 model. But
Yep.
I've only been taking it for when it's already in a clear market maker model. And 2022 is based on turtle soup, so it was a slow reaction, and I just like forced it anyway, and
Hmm.
it didn't hit, and I was just like, yeah, dude, you already knew that wasn't gonna work.
Yeah, it's tough to
You
cut your
just
losses, man. That's super just tough, and like just to like have that like I don't even want to call it maturity, just have that much like awareness and like just discipline to do that,
yeah,
you
to be
know?
like, oh, I'm in a trade. Oh wait, that's not actually my setup. Got that.
Yeah. And then
I'm
like just
out.
do it's just all just discipline, bro, cuz at that point like you're
Hmm.
aware like it's not going to fucking hit. It's like damn, like this is probably not going to go, but like then it's like the discipline's sake where it's like then
Yeah.
it's like fuck, like I want to get out of this trade, but if it hits, I'm going to be fucking pissed that I got out. And if it doesn't
Yep.
hit, I'm going to be fucking ecstatic. You know?
Yeah. Yo, well, I'm already in it. I'm already, I already
Exactly.
put the risk on.
Yeah.
No, it's tough, dude. This gets fatiguing coming on every day and be like, it's not my ideal setup.
Yep. Super tough, super fatiguing. Markets are hard. Higher time frame just fucking sucks.
It's crazy, dude. Trading is not logical, dude. The logical thing to do is don't trade.
Yeah, it sucks. Not fun.
See if we
One
want to revisit
viewer.
those highs, though, dude.
Say it again.
Let's see if we want to revisit those highs.
Yeah, right. I just want to love somebody.
Dude, that 932 Ripper higher is so weird.
Take everybody out.
Got me, dude.
Nah, didn't get your money though.
Did not get my money, but it did make me think, oh, run the high day one more time. One more time. Just get a full regular trading hours fill. Looks like that's what the senior NASDAQ wants.
Big Senor Nasdaq.
Yeah, dude, it's New Week Open Gap high versus regular trading hours 50%. Dude. What a battle for the ages right now.
Battle for the ages. We're just battling.
Yeah, dude.
Where the hell is Sean Don, man?
You probably just saw like Monday, no news, massive day Friday. He's like, I'll probably just sleep.
What a poser.
Too.
Poser.
But there's another challenge with these market conditions. Look how many New Week open gaps we got on. Look at the 1 hour on EXC.
Yeah, I had to turn all my New Week open gaps off.
Where you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 or 8 all inside of each other.
It's crazy.
Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think.
Consequent encroachment of whatever the New Week open gap. We just closed the entire range on Nasdaq. Was the entire opening range. Gap. That gap. Using the premium side of that in a WOG. The reaction right there. First presented could be a nice draw then. A little bit later. Hmm.
It's crazy because it's like, all right, then we get back up to first presented. We have relative equal highs, but now you're trading into another New Week open gap. It's just like, with how
Yeah.
nimble it is, dude. Nothing. It's just not high probability.
Yeah.
Like if we get above the first presented and then we tap it, like that is a setup, but I also don't know if that's a good setup. I said no, it's not a good setup. Got relative equal highs left in a high time frame level. It's permissible. It's just like, whoa, dude. You're telling me every setup today is low probability?
I mean, I like
Yeah.
ES's highs. I mean, you have SMT up there, so like it's definitely an intermediate term high, but I just think they're too clean as well. But I'll tape read it. See what's up.
Yeah, dude, I'm still just getting used to trading, bro. Like, all this shit is like these conditions, they don't teach you this.
Mm-hmm.
This is like that definition of insanity, dude. You just show up, markets suck every day. You're just like, yo, but tomorrow might be good. It's incredible. Incredible.
Got a breakaway gap down there at the 1 minute if we want to keep trading higher. I don't want to see that closed.
Yeah, it looks decent.
Mm-hmm. We can break this 5 minute fair value gap and trade above it. That could be a really nice setup. Midwick right there in the 1 hour.
2022 model.
We're inside the breaker right now, the 15-second.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be a nice area.
I wanna rock it all night, baby girl. You rock it out with me.
True, true. Yeah, who we got on the stream, my boys? Where we at? I want to say what's goody. You got two guys in here. Don't know who the hell they are. Let me guess. Oh, I know it's Tobias, but it's either Tobias or Tobias and or KP and Pat. It's one of those guys. If I was a betting man, I'd go with KP because we talked last night that he'd be on. If I was a betting man. Yeah, let's go. I knew it. What up, K Pizzle? That's my boy. KP, baby. KP, get any of that short? You get any of that short, KP? Now we got Big Al trading through that breakaway gap. Now we got a little inversion guy in there.
Mm-hmm.
So now if we want to close below, stay below it, trade for the consequent encroachment of the Nawag, that'd be a nice little setup.
5-minute fair value gap high. Still left open, which is a nice bear shake. Wasn't
They're
fully
right
filled.
on that fucking 1 hour midwick. Look at that. Oh! 15-second gives it to you. Immediate rebalance or immediate retrade, I guess. Damn. I'm going to fill that gap in. Gives it to you. Where's that 15-second?
Yeah, immediate rebound.
Oh, dude, that 15-second was nasty.
Dude, that is so fucking crazy, man.
Yeah.
Look how long that setup existed, dude.
Crazy. Like just how many of those just candles and then just starts falling over and then bam, bam.
Yeah, dude.
It's like, all right, yeah, sure.
Like, oh, I'm just waiting for that 15-second to get filled. Nah, you're not going to get it.
So if we want a full gap closure, trade below yesterday's low. It's a nice big liquidity pool as well. Everybody buying overnight and shit. So if yesterday's low. I'll do 1 hour lick. I dig it. Peep. A little slow on the oh shit, I got close fucking cap cut. This shit's slower than piss. Pizzle P. Yeah, I like to keep going lower after that extension. If it doesn't get back over that, as long as we stay below that 5-minute fair value gap, we're going lower. Hondo P. Hondo peasy, don't be greedy. Oh, use the consequent encroachment right there to go lower. Of the Nawag. See if we can get down to a discount level. Banger. See if we can shoot for your last week's low. Banger. Last week's low, tagged and bagged. This is exactly what I wanted to see. But yeah, I mean shit, this thing's gonna fall off a fucking cliff. Bad boys falling off a cliff. Sheesh. Premium fair value gap. And now that's almost a couple weeks. We're trading inside this weekly fair value gap there. Let's see if we could take out the previous week's low now. Oh shit, wait, it's not the previous week's low. It's Wednesday's low of 2 weeks ago. And then the weekly low from there. ES just took out last week's low. See if we can take out the relative equal lows now on the daily. We'll want them. I can see it. Daily lick. All that. All that. Daily lick. There she goes. So everything we're expected to happen in the market, it's kind of like a double negative, right? If it's a double negative, it's a positive. So like if we're in a higher time frame consolidation, large range day yesterday, and no news Monday, it's probably going to be great.
No, dude. Can't get behind that one.
That's funny. That is funny. Oh, we're just falling. KP trying to catch a falling knife or what? What else we got? Oh. Alex going on a little smoke break. I'll have to check. Hold on. Give me a second, KP. Let's go to this. Yeah, they have. They said Integrated Desktop contains diagnostic files allowing our support representatives to quickly troubleshoot unexpected errors. That please follow the steps below and send them to our team. Ooh. I have to close. Yeah, KP, they just sent me a whole thing to send the diagnostic file to NinjaTrader for them to assist. So I will I'll send those over for them to look at. And then go from there. Oh. Yeah, to see what the fuck's up. So yeah, I'll get that done. Just remind me, just text me. I'll get her done. Top of the money bias, baby. Top of the money. Big Alskis.
Hello?
Big Al.
Yo.
What up?
What?
I said, what up? Might go make me a little bagel.
One more time?
I said, I might go make me a little bagel real quick.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, dude, I don't think you'll miss anything.
You don't think?
Dude, all I know is this is what is this? This was not likely to happen, and it happened, and we didn't lose. That's all I got, dude. My analysis said, like we said, it'd be nimble as fuck. Huge rage. Okay. See you tomorrow.
I have a story for you for KP. KP wrote in a little story that he's owning
He
up
wrote
to,
a
and
story.
I do appreciate KP being vulnerable like this. He said, "I'm putting this here to embarrass myself." I said,
Wow.
I took a loss this morning on micros." And he said he tried to revenge trade with minis and made it even worse.
Mm.
Ah,
Well,
that's
KP, I have done that a lot. A lot, dude. Oh my God, I've done it so many times, dude.
so many times.
But I appreciate the honesty tremendously.
Yep, that's the psychology thing, man. That shit gets to you. But you know, I mean, a rule that I've implemented, because obviously I have a tendency, I mean, we all have tendencies to do that. So, like, a rule that I implemented was if ever I take a loss, no matter what, my next trade is now 50% of my risk. Because I know going to that next trade, I might be on tilt. And then when I lose again, I'm going to be more pissed if I would have taken a bigger loss the second time. You know? So to save me from that heartache, 50% risk, next trade. And even that, like, I mean, I can make my money back trading a 2-1. So if I lose one, my first trade, 50% of that trade is on the next trade. I just make my money back as well. But then if I lose, I just lose a little bit. You know? So that's a rule that I implemented for myself. I like it for me.
Yeah, dude. It's tough when the market moves like this. Like you feel like you should be in it, you know? It's like, yo, it's big moving, big movement day. I'm supposed to be trading when it's moving big. And it's like, that's something that's made me lose a lot of trades is be like, wait, my analysis said be nimble and it probably is going to be a small range day. And then it's a huge range day. And I'm like, fuck, what did I do wrong? I need to get it. And then like those thoughts will get me in when I shouldn't be. And I just journaled, not good conditions, not my setup. It doesn't matter what the market does. It's it. Like,
Good stuff.
Yeah, dude, my rules said be nimble, be careful, and the market ripped. I'm like, okay, it's not my expectation to be able to get every single move. It's been a really, really weird, dude.
Just
Dude, it's
tough
another
market
day time
conditions.
like last week, dude. Just the market opens, rips lower.
Just
It's
rips
happened
lower.
so many times, dude.
Bro, it's on a 4-day streak now. Open, rip lower.
Yeah. But dude, this is what you need, like to refine who you are. You need to just go through fucking hard times, dude. And that's what the
Yep.
market will do to you.
You
To
got to have
forge it.
rules set for yourself, man. You have to have
Yeah.
rules. There has to be that person above you saying, "Look, you can't do this," and those are like literally set in stone. To where, like I said,
Right.
for me, that helped me out was if I take a loss, same day, if I want to take another trade, I risk half the amount. So if I took a $200 loss, I'm next trade, no matter what, I'm only risking $100 as a max. As a max risk would be $100. Just because you don't want to spiral and end up over leveraging to make your money back and more. It's not fun, not a good time, not good time.
Yep.
So, Patty, what's up, buddy? Just talking about last 3 consecutive opens have all been just a tank lower, an absolute tank. So with no news today, with being a large range day yesterday, everybody's going to be eager to get in. With the higher time frame just being in a fucking chop fuck fest. Yeah, I mean, I've just decided to stay out.
How's that bagel time?
I haven't made it yet. I gotta go make it. I'm
I know.
oh.
I'm
So
just
you're just
messing.
being a dickhead, is what you're saying.
I would say being a goofball, but
Nah, I would categorize as a fucking
whatever.
douchebag.
Goofball, dickhead, whatever you want to say, dude.
Fucking douchebag. All the same shit. Tomato, tomato, right?
Yeah.
God, I wish I had a short on this, eh?
Yeah, dude.
I think tomorrow's gonna just tank from the open as well, right? I mean, it has to. 5 days in a row. It's just insane to me.
No, it's crazy, bro. Because it's like, wow, any short I would have taken the past
What
5 days
what a hit.
would have hit. Yeah, for 5 days in a row. But none of them were my conditions I like trading in. So what do you think, dude? Does that mean you're a bad trader, or does that just mean, I gotta just keep being disciplined and wait for it to be easy?
Shit. Just think
The
you're a bad
latter,
trader.
dude. I think the latter. I think I'm just gonna keep waiting for it to be easy. It's so easy. Dude, I just saw Alex Ovechkin is like 13 goals away from Wayne Gretzky all-time goals.
No, he's not.
Isn't that insane?
Bro, I thought that record was like
Unbeatable.
impossible to break.
So did I.
That's
But he's
crazy.
also
I think it's the most points. I think Wayne Gretzky has the most points of all time, and that's going to be impossible to break.
yeah. Dude, also Alex Ovechkin has been playing hockey for 20 years.
In the league, right?
Yeah. Dude, Wayne Gretzky has most career assists in the regular season, most career hat tricks in the regular season, most points in a single season. Just every number one thing he's just got all of it.
Everything, bro. It's crazy. Patrick, this is why I played my signal. There's no FOMO because I'm in this shit every time. There's always a close on the low and a tank. I don't fight the market. There's no hardcore analysis. I get in, I get out. God, I love it, brother. I love that you're just that confident with your setup and you just know who you are, and I love it. That's incredible. You know, you mastered yourself, mastered the market. You're grounded in your setup, and that's where every aspiring trader is supposed to get to. So I'm happy for you, brother.
Oh, dude, he's going for his record of most goals in a single season. That's the
Not the goals all time. That's what
not
I
all the
thought.
time.
I thought
Yeah,
Wayne
yeah, yeah.
Gretzky just had a fucking stupid amount of
Yep,
goals.
and he does, dude. But Alex Ovechkin has 882 goals. Gretzky has 1,072.
I mean, how many goals does Wayne Gretzky have this year? Or how many goals does what's his name have this year?
Uh, I
Ovechkin.
don't know. Let me look up.
Are you looking it up?
Yeah, dude, I'm confused, bro.
that
Because this article
stat
says he
wasn't
has,
that stat wasn't even it.
dude, because this article says he's got 1,072 goals.
Wayne Gretzky.
Another article says he has 894 goals.
Why don't you just do like Grok or just ask ChatGPT?
Apparently, he's 13 goals away from breaking Wayne Gretzky's all-time goals in a regular season, not including playoffs.
I would look it up on old Chat Jeebers. Patrick
Yeah,
said he's
whatever.
right. You're right, Patrick. Nerd. Pussy ass. I'm gonna put a bagel on the toaster real quick.
All right.
Give me un momento. I'll still be able to hear you though. I got my headphones on, and you just won't be able to hear me.
Yeah, I'll probably just wait for you to get back, dude.
Yo, my boys.
Oh, Big John, right on time, dog.
Dude, I had calls from 6:30. I was on though.
What's up, dog?
Sup, dog? Not much, bro. Just fucking staying out right now.
Us too.
Watching to I'm watching to see if we just formed a swing point or we're six sister lower.
Yeah, I like Six Sister for the daily February 10th low,
Yup.
but I would like to see a 1050 macro, to be honest. So I hope we kind of just chill here. But it could go 50-minute high up at 5-minute fair value gap.
Big fucking Sean.
Yes, sir. Yo, I had to get a cut for the stream.
Mm.
Business expense.
Yeah, write that shit off, Ty.
That's the goal, bro. I don't know how big you have to be to write it off, though.
True. Like one stream, one video with one view, you're like just writing everything off.
I can see. All I gotta do is ask Grok.
Dude, I love how we're just right back in the range. Right back in the range, boys. High resistance liquidity run signature. In my back testing so far, this is the #1 signature to stay out. And we're just hanging in this fair value gap like this.
What do you mean? Elaborate on it.
Like, look what 1001, the little FEG. I mean, it's a little premature, but whenever we hang around an inefficiency for too long, that is a great signature of high resistance liquidity runs. Could apply it to any time frame. What'd I miss, bro? Y'all take any trades or not today?
Yeah, I shorted the high. I'm still in.
Oh, oh yeah. Nice.
No shot.
Nothing big, Sean. Big Sean, what about this? Signatures on the weekly.
Did Alex with his morning nut run?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, whatever I just. Big Al coming in with the truth. I mean, we don't have a lot of Nwogs below us, so it's okay.
Yeah, it's pretty clear. It'll be a nice low resistance. I like this though, dude. Let's get some 1050 rippers. But yeah, you know the markets are bad when I have time to go get a handful of mixed nuts.
Your P&L is not, there's correlation between you grabbing mixed nuts and your P&L.
Yeah, P&L's just doesn't do anything.
Oh,
You know what I did use Grok for again this weekend and last time I bring it up, Ty?
what's that?
Commitment to traders. That's actually really fucking easy to get the takeaway. Commercials have gone slightly more net short.
Hmm. Yeah, I haven't looked at COT in maybe a year.
Either way. But I was asking it to do like historical correlations between what happens and what the hedge funds and commercials do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going down, is what you're saying?
I don't know. I mean, they're hedging. Question is till where?
ES relative equal lows on the weekly.
Honestly, I do think we're bearish. I do.
Damn,
think
he
that
just
we
called the
are.
top after the first break.
I ain't calling the top, bro. I'm just saying. I think it's reasonable we go down and take some sell side.
So you're basically saying that that's the top in the near future. Last week.
I'm basically saying we had weekly SMT and then we broken down from there.
So what you're telling me right now, on live on stream,
I'm telling you, I
hour and
don't
19
know.
minutes into the stream,
Yeah.
Big
Clip
Sean
me,
is
clip me.
higher time frame bearish, and we will be going lower, seeking a lot of sell side liquidity here before going back up.
I think we take low of year before we take all time high.
Did you get the seasonal? What does Grok say about seasonals?
I don't know. I didn't ask Grok about seasonals, but seasonals have been fucking wrong so far. So what does that mean? Tell the stream, Ty. What does it mean when seasonals are wrong?
That means it's an even bigger move than what's going to unfold. So if seasonals are bullish and the market consolidates or bearish, that means when it's seasonally bearish the next time, let's say the next season is bearish, then it absolutely rips that direction. What is it now? I mean, it's consolidating and the market's standing still, right? I mean, let's look at seasonals real quick, right? Like, what's the seasonal tendency of fucking NASDAQ and ES? ES is a little bit cleaner to see, but desktop.
You want to show fucking
I see TISM, indexes. Let's go NASDAQ and S&P.
I don't know, just fucking
So an old S&P.
you ready for this?
And we got old Nasty D.
Can
Oh, don't worry, I got it up.
you do A 10-year breakdown of seasonality for NQ and ES by week.
10-year. Why not 40-year relationship? 10, 40, and 25-year relationship, and have it correlate between all of them and the likelihood of them being in sync. Oh, that's crazy. Not the likelihood, but just correlate between those and spit
Alright,
me
let's
out
just see
something.
Let's just see
Well,
what she
anyway,
said.
end of February is consolidating. So, I mean, we've been consolidating for a little bit. There was a ripper there beginning of February, right? We ran up to the 15th, and now technically, till the middle of March, price is consolidating big time. And that's
We
also
we
true for
distributed
NASDAQ.
Smart Money distributed the December 16th order block and this inefficiency we've been in on the daily. And that's where if we were watching COT, dude, we would have saw that shit.
Oh, yeah, completely. KP, did you go back in, brother? What happened?
All right, Ty, let's see what he comes back with.
Are you doing a deep search on it?
I mean, this is why you kind of need that dollar view, dude, because it's just every month's basically bullish.
Yeah. Are you doing a deep search on it, or are you?
Yeah, I'm doing a deep search.
Yeah. KP.
Whatever.
Sorry, brother. Yeah, shit's tough, man. Trading is tough. Tough, brother. What's it got, Big Sean? What we spitting out? Oh, what we got, Big Sean? What we spitting out?
I mean, it basically just it doesn't really tell you anything useful. It just says February 40-year periods up 1.2% on ES, 1.5 on Nasdaq, 25 similar, 10-year slightly higher.
Well, I would just say instead of giving me fucking numbers amounts, let me know if it's seasonally bullish, bearish, or consolidating. Like give it like levels and shit. Like either consolidating bullish, consolidating bearish, consolidating, or bullish or bearish. Comparatively. That's what I would say. Lonely night. Just got my tax form for fucking Ninja Trader.
Oh yeah.
Did you download yours yet?
Yeah.
Yeah, bitch, it's a scam, bro. Hey, Big Al.
What's up?
I'm going up to visit Tobias March 22nd through the 24th, which is Saturday through Monday. Up in New York City at his little penthouse. We're going to be talking just about, you know, content, just creating a bunch of fucking just channels, not like channels as in like Freddy Futures, but like funnels and shit. And just shooting content throughout New York City.
Word.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
Yeah. Ty.
What?
January, November, December, bullish trending. February, March, April, June, July, October, often consolidating bullishly. May and August, consolidating bearishly. September, bearish trending.
There you go. Over what? Is that over a 10, 25, 40-year period? Is that all of them just kind of together?
Here,
The consensus?
look, to show you. No, they broke it up. Here's the 10-year period.
Wow, look at that, bro. That's so sick.
This is through 23, but whatever. Here's the
Same fucking
25-year
thing.
period.
Wow.
Let's see. Can you break it down further into weeks?
Dude, that thing's stupid, bro. Damn, you're looking good, Big Sean. That 5 o'clock shadow looks nice on you, my boy.
Jesus Christ.
That shit looks good.
Hey man, Alex, I don't know whether to be threatened or complimented, man.
Am I
I appreciate-
threatened?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I said I don't know whether to be threatened or feel complimented.
Yeah,
Dude,
dude.
I'm trying to rock one like Big Al, dude.
Yeah.
God, it's that Eastern European genes, dog. You don't know about it.
Eastern European. I know Western European, baby.
Nah, dude, Eastern Europeans grow hair like fucking Santa
Dude,
Claus.
I
dude.
grow fucking hair, bro. I'm the hairiest motherfucker out. I mean, around here.
How,
I'm a
bro?
mutt.
This is 2 days no shave.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, you just have dark hair too, so
Yeah.
I think I might shave my
Just-
beard off. I might go no beard or a little 5 o'clock shadow. Nah, I mean blondes don't look good with 5 o'clock shadows. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah. I don't know if it's blondes or you, dude.
Probably,
Nah, I'm kidding, bro. Hey,
Hey,
you
yo.
rock the beard. You rock
probably.
the beard, bro.
Shit's crazy, bro.
Yo, we in a high resistance liquidity run. That shit just ain't much fun.
Bars. Midwick of that 15-minute candle. We have a nice little close below it. We didn't close below it, but I'd like to see the quadrants of that wick. See how it's respecting. We just broke through it, and we just consolidated like right over top of that midwick. Just broke through
Yeah.
it right there, retesting it now.
Yep. Hey,
Let's see if
Alex,
we can-
aka the high resistance liquidity run king. What are you seeing, bro?
The high resistance liquidity run king.
Yeah, bro, you got that
Um,
whole doc to back it up.
Yeah, I'm seeing nothing right now, dude. I need a turtle soup. I would like 1024 high or 1017 high to get taken out before we
What
go
about the
lower.
turtle soup on the high at 1021 or the high at 10 o'clock on the dot?
No SMT.
Yes, I don't like it.
You don't like those?
I'm with Alex on this one.
It's not significant enough.
Just a question.
Yeah, it could go.
I don't like them either. I was just wondering if that constitutes as a stop run for
Not a
old,
good enough
old,
swing point.
old Alpies.
Yeah, not for a old L piece, but it could
I
go.
don't-
Dude, right? It hit that 15-minute IO fed. It's just like it's got enough to go now.
Yep. You also had a
I'd
1
like
minute
to
fair value gap order block there.
like to see it straight up into a premium of this range first.
Yeah, but when I see stuff for high resistance liquidity runs, it's a clean turtle soup. That's just like, oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful respect to the midwick right there. Just a little bit of a mohawk straight through her. Oh.
Dude, going through my back test, I just realized the second I take a loss from one high resistance liquidity run signature, odds are that those signatures carry through at least through the rest of the session. And Big Al's been ahead of the curve on this one.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you think if I just blow the fuck up, you think I'm just gonna dump you guys and be like, yo, fuck you guys?
Yeah,
It's fine, dude.
I already know
Because
that.
it's-
Dude.
Alex. You're fucking on crack, bro.
Dude, me and Alex literally get on a call every night, like talking about that scenario.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
like, yo, when
whatever.
top blows up, what's our strategy, dude? We've already made like 8
What's our
videos.
strategy? We can't do anything without
No,
time. Shut the
we
fuck up.
literally have a smear campaign ready to go.
Yeah, we already made a
Yeah.
lot of videos degrading you. Okay.
Yeah, we
It's
have like
like, yeah,
we have
here's Ty, and this is what he's really like.
we got a
Yeah.
Freddy Futures roast, dude. We've been clipping you the last 2 years, so
Yeah, buddy's just gay as fuck. So here's a whole
Yeah,
bunch
dude.
of shit that he just says it's gay.
Yeah, we have a couple 100 GB of just like evidence that we're ready. It's one click away, dude.
no, literally, there's more data in that folder than all of ICT's videos combined.
Exactly.
So stupid.
Yeah, we're already anticipating it, dude. You know, we're anticipatory people, and
Yep. Hmm.
we can see it coming, dude. The signatures are there, writing's on the wall.
Yep. Higher
The
time frame
signatures are
and lower
there.
time frame.
Yeah, higher
Yeah.
time frame's clear. We're just trying
Those
to time it with
signatures
the
are
lower
nice.
time frame.
So what about that stop run of those two swing highs on the 1 minute?
Not significant enough.
No, sir. Alex, how do you define significance?
I'll
Well,
let
it
you
have
know
to be
when
an
I see it.
intermediate term high then, because then that intermediate term high is the one at 1033. Because you have two lower swing highs to the right and left of it.
Yeah, at least 1033s.
I like to
Yeah.
see SMT with it and create a legit institutional swing point.
Yeah, I like SMT with them as well. That's why I said it, because 1050 is normally the macro you see a 6-6 threat if the AM session's gonna go. So
Oh,
that's what I'm waiting for.
But in this case now, if we activate the breaker at 1036, that's still considered a breaker because we have a higher high.
Yeah.
yeah,
Right.
it is, but
Yeah, I just
So
won't
if
take
we
it,
have
but
that
yeah.
and we have the fair value gap now, the breakaway gap basically at 1008. We have that inversion, that breaker now. Trade back up into it. Do we see price going lower?
has it really fulfilled the function of a breaker though?
Define,
Have we,
fulfilled the function of a breaker.
have we sweep the key level, displaced down and trap longs?
Well, yeah. I mean, if you have someone who's going down every short, every swing high has liquidity over it. Because you have people that are trailing their stop losses there. Like every single person, like even if they went short down at the 1039 candle, right? They're putting their stop loss on the 1038 high, the 1035 high. Like all that shit.
No, I agree with you, dude. I see the breaker, the breakaway gap's a great level for like a line in the sand. Just I don't know where I would feel comfortable with a stop loss in this slow move lower, but it could
Yep.
go. Like
You
this
also
whole
have
time, I'm
last
like,
week's
it could
low
go.
right below it. So I
Yeah.
kind of like it. But
Definitely could, dude.
definitely could. I kind of dig it. It's so many points away, though, to actually put a stop loss on that's fucking reasonable is ridiculous.
Definitely.
I just want to love somebody. Like, for me to actually put my max risk on, guess how many micros I can put on the trade right now?
And the high resistance liquidity run, dude, like this 1 minute stop run to the lows, probably coming straight back up. Take out the highs right here.
I like it.
How many micros, dude? Like 1,
3.
2, 3.
Like, bro.
Where I slap my fib on. Yeah,
Yeah,
we're
even if I
trading above
wanted to
these
take
equal
this
highs.
trade, it's like, yeah, I don't have enough fucking leverage to take this fucking trade. So,
Dude, I take a 5-second market maker buy model to those 1 minute equal highs.
I'll take you to my equal highs.
Whoa.
That's so wild,
Hey,
Big Sean.
hey.
5 minute fucking 5 seconds market maker model, dude.
But I feel like in these conditions out, and you fucking taught me a lot about this too, dude. Like, it's really easy to sit here and like expect the last leg, but with the time and situation, it's more likely we sweep this 1 minute low and come back up.
Yeah, I think we'll get a nice 15-minute setup or 15-second
Yeah.
setup at 1050.
15-minute just closed below its mid-wick. Let's see if we can stay below that. So now we're at a discount. Let's see it trade back up to a premium. Premium of the mid-wick. I mean, you can take whole range if you want, but I'm also just doing the mid-wick of a premium. Whole range, I mean, you would have to take out those swing highs. That'd be great. I mean, this can be a whole ass consolidation. Take out the swing highs. Then this could be the breaker low that it needs. That's forming right now, basically. That formed in the last couple candles. That'd be gnarly. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
You know what this meant?
I don't know what this meant. Oh man. See, like, even if it runs, dude, like, where are you getting in sync with this bitch? It's not really a model here.
You're not really a model. Got him.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, you can get in sync with it at the inversion fair value gap, 1008.
Run.
If it's not high resistance liquidity run.
It would appear it is. You know what, dude? I'm gonna demo it, just praying that I lose this trade.
Praying I lose the trade. Be careful with those prayers, Big Sean.
Whoa. Guy goes to a fucking Buddhist temple.
Hindu, it is Hindu. Hindu temple, dude.
Hindu temple.
Yeah, get that shit right.
Good front run the macro. Hey man, if it goes, hats off, but
It's definitely the lag. You got a 1 minute fair value gap right there. A little last leg action. See if it holds up. 15-second breaker as well. Inside that 1 minute IO Fed. Could be clean. I'd only have enough risk to put 5 minis on it. So that means I'm doubling my risk on my top step accounts, which is not what I want to do. But great entry right there. I'd get in if I had enough risk to allocate it. I'll demo it. Sell. One little Mikey. Sell that bad boy, and I'll sell that bad boy. See what had happened. We're also at the weekly
gun in your
consequent
head, do we
encroachment.
go?
Yeah, I think so. 100%. Gun to my head, absolutely. I think we go.
Yeah, I do too. It would be
Stop first.
It'd be
It'd be
magical
weird.
if it doesn't.
right. His last leg that hits
Yep.
most of the time.
Last leg, you have a daily liquidity right below as well, which is last 2 weeks ago's low.
Yep.
Just crouching right above it. So you have I mean, I would take this trade really 10 out of 10 times right here.
See,
Just-
1050 should just rip it.
And then yeah, also in a
Ribbit.
macro here.
Rip it.
Where's your stop?
Also the leader. Stop would be right above this inversion fair value gap.
Yeah.
Rip it.
I like to see a nice close here. Great respect right there.
Nice six, nice six.
SMT on the highs now on the 1 minute.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah, bro.
Yo, this price is not fucking, what's that word, Alex? Flonky?
Flonky, yeah, dude.
Yeah,
Get
bro.
that shit in your vocab, dude.
Let's see this close right here. Beautiful in the 15-second right there. All right, so if this next candle closes below this, creates a swing high right there. That swing high should not get broken inside this fair value gap. Basically a full fucking closure. So I like to see it stay below. Mid wick right there, that 1 minute candle. Let's see. That little fractal,
Been hanging in this fair value gap a little too long.
just a little bit. I mean, it just needs to create a little turn. A little swing turn here. Oh, you guy.
Well, you guy.
Little U-turn, boy.
Shit's gonna fall off a cliff or If it's gonna do it, it's gonna do it right in the next two candles.
Oh yeah. Nice little close outside of it. Stop loss and go to that swing high. Yoink.
Order block activated.
Dude, that's it. You just wait for the time of day.
Well, last leg happening, time of day. How you doing? Take profit would be 21,418. Stop loss will go a little bit lower. It's gonna be right above that 75% of the inversion fair value gap. So like 490 would be the stop loss. It's a good level. 490. Wouldn't want to see it revisit here. Want to see her stay pretty heavy. You got a 15-minute fair value gap that should hold up, or 15-second fair value gap that should hold up. Immediate rebounds on the 1 minute. Immediate rebounds.
To a 1 minute order block.
Immediate rebounds, 1 minute. 1 minute. It can revisit it, but it's just indicative of a 75% wick right there. Ultra respect. 15-second candle. If it goes from there, it'll be nasty. Let's see this 1 second breaker it's forming. One second breaker, 49 even.
This is wild, dude.
Yeah. 15-second
Holy
looks super
shit.
nice here.
Yeah.
Just got to roll over. It's kind of consolidating inside of it. The longer it stays inside of it, the more 50-50 it gets.
Yeah.
But you have relative equal lows.
S&T on the
respect there.
highs.
Yeah,
1050
don't
S&T on the highs.
Don't want to see price come back up past that 1 minute candles mid wick now. Create a nice little institutional swing point there. ES is now the leader to the downside on the lower time frames.
Perfect.
Nice little tank job there. Beautiful respect to
Should
that
fall off the
75%
front
wick.
cliff right here, dude.
Yep. Inversion,
candles
5-second fair
incoming.
value gap. Straight up bank right into that order block right there. Should fall. And we fall. And we fall. There she goes. There she goes. And rip. Completely just demolished that low, the low to the left, and then
Yeah.
the
Should just
weekly low.
teleport.
Telly.
Weekly low incoming.
Nice symmetrical market should tell it.
Hello.
Stop, roll to old beat, break even. Ella, A. ES finding some strength to the downside here.
Man, what a dumb market, dude.
We got a nice little wick down. I'll buy back one contract.
Alright, boys, I'll be right back. I gotta hop on a work call. 1 sec.
Peace. Peace and love.
Little buy limit right there. We don't hate it. Okay. Oops. One minute fair value gap order block breaker. Just kidding, it's not a breaker. Should fall. 1 minute fair value gap on ES looks incredible. Lines up with the breakaway, the inverse breakaway gap. Incredible. Didn't get that touch though for ES. But would definitely like to see it sell. We'll put a little sell limit there. Crank it up to about 1,000. There we go. Let's see what happens. Well, just got stopped out on Nazi D for break even. Where's the 25? Yes, would be at that breakaway gap up here. Buy stop. Inversion again. Let's see. Take over, swing high. $5 piece, little 15 guy. See if he just wants to run some liquidity a little higher. Very nimble conditions there. All right, so we get that intermediate term run, Big Al. We're about to get it. ES about to lose. That bad boy. Ruser.
But this challenges the idea of, but now it's a failed last leg.
It is.
Like,
So if
when I
we get
use the
back
time
down near that
distortion-
breaker, I'm taking the
Right.
fuck out of that.
Yeah, like the time distortion setup, dude, doesn't fuck around like this.
Nope.
This is weird conditions, dude.
Weird.
Uniquely wacky.
So you have that those short term swing highs on the 1 minute at
SMT now.
10:33 candle. Yep, you got a little SMT. So if we get back down there, then we're selling. If we get through this fair value gap here, as Big Sean would say, this is the inflection point. If we break above that swing high we just created at 10:59, it's going higher for at least those short term highs because that's the first premium array that you see in this range now. So those short-term highs will get waxed if it wants to push higher past that swing high created at 59.
Yeah, we'll see what happens if we
We'll
make a
see.
swing high here. Hey,
Yeah, it's just
take-
fucking bulleting it up for those
Yeah.
relative equal highs as well.
Taking
So
it
there
out,
you go.
yeah.
So order block right here in the 15-second. Let's see this get respected. This order block should absolutely get respected here on the 15-second. So I'll put
yeah,
in a
so
little.
you're talking ESs?
Say it again.
ES order block? NASDAQ order block.
15-second NASDAQ order block. These 3 consecutive 15-second order blocks.
Got
Should
Mike.
get-
Got it.
Should get respected. Fair value gap now should absolutely get respected.
Yeah, we got those 1 minute relative equal highs we're probably gonna go for.
Yep. So we'll take profit would be there.
Tough, dude. Conflicting ideas going on, dude. We got
Dude.
failed last leg, but we also have 6 sister. We got 1050 macro, stop run. Like, shoo wee.
Yeah. We'll see.
Wowza.
2,000 to make 3,000 here.
Wowza.
Wowza. It would really be that fair value gap. So 31.50 would be the take profit. It's that 1 minute fair value gap right above those relative equal highs at 1026. Patty, just in a demo long, buddy. Just a little demo long. Not anything real.
Unbelievably hard conditions.
Yeah. ES looks super nice to take out those highs now, though. Super nice. Nazi D looking also as nice. Stop loss below the consequent encroachment. You also have the breaker now. It traded down the 1 minute at 1049. Also with the 1050 as well on the 15 second. You can see it's a better breaker. So it should hold there. Order block breaker action. Could take out that short-term low in the 1 minute it just created, basically the 15 second. To take up higher, we could see. Wants to go lower then, that's why we don't trade. So like I said, I hope we demo trade 'cause it's just an experiment into why we don't trade these conditions. But just tape reading sake, in a nice symmetrical market, those highs should now be taking out. Now we got a nice little push up from there off that reclaimed fair value gap at 1008 with a breaker. Yes, pushing up nicely. NASDAQ again. One minute order block, 15 second fair value gap. Just any higher from there. $11.05 is a little shaky right there. The 1 minute candle was dancing around pretty good. She's a runner. She's a track star. We do end up trading into there, though. It's a super balanced range right above that. Those relative equal 1 minute highs. I would definitely look to escape the position. What up? What up, Big Sean?
Are you guys in something?
I mean, I'm in a demo, just tapering the fuck out of it.
Dude, whenever we have these signatures, bro, it's just failed last legs. Even during macros, dude, it's usually not till even the next session.
I love it.
Yo,
That's
Al,
why
is that
we
a
demo,
whale
baby.
tail?
Is it a whale tail?
Yeah, on your shirt.
Oh, it's a tuna tail.
Word.
You said
Should have
whale
known
tail.
better.
Yeah, should have known better. Dude, this is
Imagine.
crazy to see this shit hit on the 15 second, bro. That's ridiculously crazy.
You're fucking right, Alex.
Oh, that's fucking wild, man.
Crazy, bro. Price is fractal.
It's a whole new world.
I feel
Stop
like
the old
something,
BE.
something like this. Where you get boom, 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 boom. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I mean,
You know what I mean? Let's ask Grok, why do last legs fail? Hey Grok, why do last legs of a market maker model fail?
If it says anything about an institutional swing point, I'll shit myself.
there it is, dude. TP Schmack.
Schmack.
That's crazy,
Are
dude.
you demoing the long off that?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
were going off that.
The reclaimed fair value gap.
Why last legs fail? Insufficient SMT confirmation on higher timeframes, high resistance liquidity run conditions, news driven volatility or post news chop, lack of stop run or weak market structure shift, timing outside of key macros. That's pretty fucking good, dude.
Yeah, that is pretty fucking good.
Beautiful setup right there.
That's crazy, bro. 15
Beauty.
second geek. 15 second geeks me out still. But just keep
Really?
getting reps. Oh yeah, dude. Just gotta keep getting reps with it.
It's just fractal, bro. So like if you know what's going on in the 1 minute completely, then you should be able to drop down and then tape read that as well. It's like, hey, I should see this be held here. What's that
Right.
going to look like on the 15 second? It's like just like
Now
more
the turtle
real-time
suit.
information. Yep, turtle suit for the lows now.
Yep.
Let's
Bro,
get a
that's just the high-
reclaimed.
Yeah.
Let's get the old reclaimed inversion fair value gap. 1008.
It failed last leg, just trade it into fucking premium, dump it, take 1
Yep.
minute run, stop runs.
Trap
Yep.
traders long.
Yep.
Go short. Quickly reject.
Still don't know if this is enough though.
15 second. Yeah, it's enough, dude. 15 second.
Whoa.
2022 model. Just have the 1001 fair value gap low as well.
Yeah, man. And then like no bullshit. Like you get into a fair value gap breaker on the fucking 15 second, bro. Drop down to the 1 second and see it fucking form that fractal to take out the market maker model it just created. Like that's how you just get your reps in of like what it looks like. Like as
100%.
ridiculous as it sounds, it's just like, dude, I just get so many reps during the day because I just keep dropping down and just seeing the price act as it should.
Here's a great low risk buy on the 15 second. Like dude, especially when you got a clean consolidation like that on the lows there.
You mean a low risk sell right now in the 15 second?
Hmm?
You mean a low risk sell?
Yeah. Did I say buy?
Yeah, it's all good. I mean, man.
Yeah, appreciate you forgiving me for that.
You're an idiot.
Whoa.
And I'd be lucky if I ever thought something more than just a crazy night.
I wouldn't even be shocked if we just left this for later.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Bro, I've
Oh,
never seen so
wow.
many new logs in my life.
Yeah, same.
Like the last 400 points, it's just one nested, like no log.
Yeah, I've had mine toggled off for a fucking while now.
It's like not even, honestly, it's not even worth having it on.
No.
It's just like, they're everywhere. Like I'm overwhelmed.
Yeah, completely.
When your last leg fails.
Dude, I'm gonna be fucking tired today. I can already feel how tired I am right now. I also didn't sleep good last night at all.
What do you mean? How many hours did you sleep?
Well, I switched up my routine today. I wanted to try working out as soon as I wake up, and I started waking up at 7. So usually, like during the week, I'll go to bed at 12 because that's when I get home, and that's when I get just into bed, basically.
Yeah.
So waking up at 7, going to the gym real quick, and then getting all my stuff done. So then, in between trading and work, I can just get, more.
You get more trading hours basically.
Even trade. I mean, not even trading hours too. Just being able to clip up my clips every single time as well.
Yeah.
If I have something
Yeah.
good to talk about, like me and Alex talked about, KP dropped something in earlier about. I might actually end up clipping.
I was
that.
actually listening to your stream for a sec, so I heard a piece of it.
Yeah,
about
talking about how he
revenge.
lost and just the mental side of it. So I'm probably gonna clip that today and then post that just for content sake. And that's why
We
long
have
form
all
content like
been
this is
there.
so good because dude, I just get free content here, just streaming every day, and just whatever we fucking talk about, it's just like fuck, you
Bro, you
just
want
chop
some
it up.
content? Pick a topic, bro. Let's dive into it.
And that's how this shit was going to be regimented. So that's what Tobias wanted to do. Like we talk about the market open. Yo, check out my post on Twitter real quick about my market analysis. It's a 2-minute, basically a raw market analysis for like 2 minutes, and on both Nasdaq and ES. And I have a
Posted a
timer.
video about it.
Yeah, I do that every morning now. Instead of like taking screenshots and shit, I just post a fucking
All right,
2-minute market breakdown.
All right, I'm gonna go take a dump and I'm gonna listen to it. So
I actually analyze that shit and like give me like pointers on what I could do better and stuff.
okay, you want me to tear you apart? I could do that.
Yeah, fucking rip me apart. Actually.
Like I want
Like,
you to
spread
question
my
whether
cheeks.
you should be doing this anymore or not.
Yep, spread my cheeks and just absolutely go to town.
Terrible.
I'm not gonna do that, but
Ah,
I'll be right back.
Alex would do it for me. But yeah, I'll chop that section up today.
This 2022 model is not doing what it should be doing.
Yeah, it's a little weird here. Have SMT on the highs? Nope. YM, no SMT on the highs. A little bit. I mean, you have equal highs on the YM. Why don't we trade YM?
Dude, why don't we just trade for it?
Why don't we trade like fucking platinum or something?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know, man.
We should trade Brent oil. So like UK oil
But
and not crude.
did you see this 15-second fair value gap from 1107 45 seconds? It's like LLD of 2022 model.
Oh yeah.
Pretty whack signatures.
Pretty whack. Pretty whack SIGs. Neither of them had that lower run either. You have no S&T on those lows. Maybe YM. Nope, YM doesn't even have it. That's crazy. All of them. None of them had the S&T lower. But yeah, when I get off here, I can still be in a call and just sit on with you guys and just chop up my shit. I mean, I'll There we go. Mike looks cooler like that anyway. Yo, Patty, we getting any trades, my boy? What we making? What we got? Hit me
So we
with
got great
something.
movement during 11 o'clock so far. Maybe we go for the low and launch then.
Yeah, I mean, I still like it lower. Like ultimately lower. I don't know when it's gonna do it. I don't know how it's gonna get there, but I like it lower before going higher.
Let's see what kind of highs would it want for it. I'll be back.
Love. All right. I'll be back. Seeing what Price wants to do here. We're gonna stay down below. Like I said, I like it to go lower. I like us to go a little bit lower. Patty, you still on the call? Who else is in here? Got 3 motherfuckers in here. I know one of them ain't Sean. But Patty's probably off doing something. Tobias probably doing something. He's logged in. Maybe Sean on the shitter. So those are the 3 people I could think of. KP's out. It might be Sea Drag, but I don't know. That'd be a little wild horse if it's Sea Drag. Definitely not Malvo, which I do miss Malvo though. Malvo's the homie. I like playing with my mic. It's sick. It's just like a free. I can move it wherever the heck I want. Kinda lit. Just moves wherever I want it to go. It's like Rope Bus too. Like it will just stay there. It's like sick. $30 on Amazon. Get you some. Oh man. Ha. Oh. Ooh. Trading high for the highs. One minute lick. Yes, as well. It's that 15-second fair value gap. Oh, that's a 1 hour Fairby. Enchanté, mademoiselle. Yep, you have that one, and you got this one. Little fail boy. You're also trading up into that with ES too here. A little 15-minute Fairby. Boink. Don't like that reaction. A little quarter wick on the weekly. The hell is this low? Don't need yesterday's low on there.
That was me on your stream.
I knew it was your little ass, bro. I'm like, this doesn't make sense. I don't know who else would be. 1 minute IO Fed here. ES, NASDAQ to run for the 1 hour Fairby. See how she plays out. Kind of locked. Kind of locked. Not really.
I like that as a draw though, or at least ES to swipe it and then we could think about breaking down.
Great draw. It's not
I'd like to see us form more of a swing low on the 5 minute right now. To give ourselves the opportunity to get in sync.
Could still just happen on the 1 minute.
Yeah,
Inversion fair value gap 1026. It's just like look at the 1 minute. It usually tends to keep the characteristics of the whole swing. You see the swing right now and how it looks, how
Yep.
vertical it is and just one-sided. Like if it's a good run and most of those that work out on the right side of the curve or the curve that's going to end up taking out the original consolidation are usually it's the same characteristics. Like I can like go down slowly, but there's usually no like tank down, huge consolidation, huge retracement, and then a tank down. Like it's usually all just a nice unison going up. And that's when like trend lines kind of fucking work, which is what it is, but usually that's how
I think
it works out.
in these conditions though, like we're just gonna see swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high.
I mean, I hope
Yeah,
so.
you're right.
I
You're
mean,
right.
Yeah, I mean, definitely these. That's why I'm not trading. But like, I mean, right there on ES, I'd be taking that long like every day of the fucking week, every day.
Yeah.
I'd be taking
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. I mean, that's the last leg to internal liquidity, bro.
Yeah.
Those are the most high probability draws, dude. Like an hour fair value gap. Like
After a higher
After a
time frame
stock run.
liquidity. Yeah.
Yeah. Like that's the easiest low hanging fruit right there.
Yeah. We also have a failed last leg. Like, I mean, this should definitely fucking hit right here. On ES.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beautiful breaker now on ES 5 second.
Dude, I don't even want to look at ES on a 5 second chart.
It's not bad. It's not as bad as you think.
It's not good though.
One minute auto block.
Problem with that, like even that ES last leg, like how much fucking what do you get in there? Like a 1.8? 1.8?
Well, fuck, you take it on a 5 second, bro. You can put your stop loss according to the 5 second. So now look, it already respected that 1 minute fair value gap there, bro. And now you just play it fractally on the 5 second. It's the same thing about doing it from a 15 minute to a 1 minute. It's the same thing. Your stop loss is now according to that. Like, dude, my stop loss could have been a fucking few points on ES right there as it rails up like that. Like a few ticks.
I mean, I love the trade.
Like even now, like 5 second IO Fed right here, even if you missed it, still technically a discount. As the price is going down, you still buy the fuck out of it. Buy that. Oh, stab lower. Buy. We're just hanging out here a little bit.
Hello, everybody. My name is Buddy.
Well, even that 15 second IO Fed there as well. To cap it off now. Now price is hanging out. It's like, oh, well, 15 seconds making a swing point here. Let's check it out. You just move up if the lower time frame's not working out for you. But I mean, it's just the concept of price being fractal. There's nothing to be scared about. It's just price. And now it's just working out exactly how we wanted it to work out. And on clean runs like that, that's how price works out. It just goes. It goes. It says
And
hello.
three,
It says hello,
two.
moto.
Boom. All right, now I'd like to see a swing point form.
It says hello,
Hey,
moto.
man. Hey, man. Hello, man. Let us call this 10 a.m. high.
See, now I would not take this on NASDAQ to go for the swing high because my higher time frame bias is lower. So it could leave SMT there. It absolutely can't take it out. I'm not saying that it won't, but I won't take a trade going into it just because I see it still continuing lower, higher time frame.
Oh, yeah. Objective met, dude.
Yeah, but see NASDAQ now leaving relative equal highs. I'm not taking that as a last leg. Now, if I saw higher prices, and I think it could go even up even more, which, I mean, it could. I'm not saying that it can't. Then I would take a 6 sister. That's the only conditions.
Dude, that's just such a fucking good draw though, dude. Like just draw out the swing points for the dealing range on the 15-minute from 9:30 to 10 a.m. low, dude. Just
Yep.
whenever you have a fucking inefficiency or liquidity right at equilibrium
Yep.
after a stop run like that, it's so high probability.
Yeah. All 3 of my trades would have worked out today. GG's.
You pissed?
No, I don't give a fuck. There's gonna be a lot. There's gonna be a lot more fucking opportunities, bro. Fuck it.
There really is.
Shit, if I can get
You
3 right there on a fucking bad day, imagine what I can get on a good day. That's all.
It'd be
just
crazy if
because
that was the
15
low of the
seconds.
day.
15 seconds, just magical. Just more opportunity. You have 4 times as many opportunities you get on the 15 second as you do the 1 minute.
Dude, bro, this is where like you like zoom out too, and you're like, all right, where are we in the daily? Like, I know we didn't take it on Nasdaq, but we're just back in this fucking weekly inefficiency, just high resistance liquidity around conditions, higher time frame.
Yeah.
So if that were true, then we might fucking come back into the range completely.
SMT on the daily. Lows, SMT. Bang, bang. This shit's gonna get scary, bro. We're gonna get fucking good.
Yeah, 100%, dude. Like if I was CME group, dude, I'd be scared of us. Just saying.
So looking at this price action objectively then, right? Not knowing what kind of day it is and whatever. Like, could we, if the day rolls on, price is looking good, it's one-sided, like, is it really now a high resistance liquidity run? Is what I'm saying.
Like to what?
To whatever. Like the whole day, would you categorize this day? If I put this chart in front of you and say, hey, is this day a high resistance liquidity run day on
Yeah.
the 5 or 1 minute? I could argue that it's not, right? We had that consolidation. We had a last leg not met. ES took out higher time frame liquidity. So you're going to get an institutional swing point probably on the 15-minute. I mean, really the 1 hour is what you want to see, but like even the 15-minute, 5-minute institutional swing point, right?
Until
now
you
we're back
lower
up in the
time
range.
frame from 10 a.m. on is a high resistance liquidity run.
Well, I would say just the 10 o'clock hour is high resistance. I would say then the 11
Yeah.
o'clock hour is low resistance, right? So from 9:30 to 10,
See.
low resistance. Obviously, like there's no resistance to run that liquidity. Then from 10 to 11, yes, like I could categorize as high resistance, but you also weren't taking out many swing highs. You didn't take out any intermediate term swing highs on that way down. Yes, it took a little bit, but there was no like major retracements where it could have stopped out an intermediate time stop loss trailer and get stopped out and then go the other way. And then obviously you just had this run right here that was just absolutely just perfect. So objectively, I could argue that really that wasn't really a high resistance liquidity run day. Now, is it more likely to have a high resistance liquidity run day? Yes. But if stuff's lining up to where it doesn't even seem like a high resistance liquidity run day, obviously it could change on a dime at any second. And yes, it's more likely not to. But I'm saying, like the signatures as well, if you're looking at them and they're lining up to what you want to see and it happens all throughout the fucking day, it's like, it's leaning towards it really not being a high resistance liquidity run day. And I could see it going for this and it just makes sense because of X, Y, and Z, you know?
Yeah. No, I hear you, bro. Could definitely make that argument. And you might even be right.
You're right.
I'm not even trying to be right. I'm just trying to be profitable. I'm just trying to make money, my boy. I'm just trying to have good logistical trades and feel good about all my trades. Now, like, for example, too, that being the caveat, right? Playing a little bit of devil's advocate. If I would have taken a trade there and it would have reversed on me and then kept being high resistance liquidity run, then the rest of the day after it stopped me out, and that was the beginning of the high resistance liquidity run day, I would have fucking killed myself. But like, you know, like, I mean, that's just the shit you got to weigh if you want to push your edge in these kind of conditions and whatever. And obviously, like now, like being said that, like I said, like this is a whole objective conversation. This is not play with my emotions at all. But now saying that, like I said, I'm okay with it because going into the day, I knew it was going to be unlikely. So I'm not feeling some type of way about it, but I'm just saying objectively speaking, it can't happen like that. You know,
'Cause
like
even
you
if we look
can't.
where we are right now, dude, like, do you think that's low of day right there?
Uh,
Cause I could see a world where we just consolidate here and then you look at the daily range, take from February 18th high to what the low we just made. What's a
yeah,
premium of that range? It's a daily IO fed back into that fucking balanced price range.
yeah. I mean, it
And then
can
you
be the
set
low of the
this,
day, but like at the same time, like, does it matter if it's the low of the day?
I mean, if you, it gives you a lot of fucking intel trading wise. I
Well,
mean,
it
I'm
can,
done
but
for the day regardless, but
like, I mean, does it matter as if like in these conditions, does it matter? Like in these conditions, because I'm looking for just little tiny liquidity wherever. I'm looking for that 1 hour IO Fed to get traded into at one particular point. Do I care if it's low the days in? No. Now, if it's a trending market, do I care if it's the low of the days in or a high of the, or the low of the week on Thursday, New York reversal, and that's in? Yes, because then I'll just take it back up through the range because I can be confident that that's going to be the low of the day,
yeah.
or really the low of the week then. But in conditions like this, I mean, I don't think for trading purposes, for me executing my personal strategy, I don't think it matters to me.
That's fair. I
You
think
know?
it gives you more context than to bias, right? At least for the session.
Yeah. No, for sure. I mean, the low of the day could still be in, but price can still retrace near it, right?
Yeah.
But it doesn't have to keep going away from it. But yeah, I mean, the context of putting your stop loss there, I just don't have a definitive way of saying, yeah, that's probably the low of the day. You know?
But dude,
Like
this
in
is like
some
if you look at
instances.
the DR shit, Ty, like 9:30 to 10:30 range, like from what
Yeah.
I've seen, dude, it's 11:30 and we have zero confirmation. That's
Yeah.
low probability. You know, like
That what?
we could just be range bound in this 9:30 to 10:30 range the entire day.
Gotcha.
Like it's low probability if you're going for external liquidity. Like if you're taking little scalps to like
Yes.
internal buy sell side inefficiencies, then absolutely, right? Like you just take the lower fractal market maker
Yep.
model.
Yep. But yeah, I'm gonna close the stream. I'm gonna start working on the cap cut. I mean, if you all are gonna stay on, I'll probably stay on too. So,
I gotta head to work in a minute, but
you're a little puss.
I know, dude. Just gonna sneak some back tests in.
Sneak some backies in, some back shots, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Dude, my
Hell
eyes are
yeah.
fucking heavy, bro. Already. But all right,
I need to.
stream.
My goal is to add things to Alex's list for high resistance liquidity runs.
Nice, dude. Let me know if you add anything.
I mean, so far the biggest signature is just hanging around fucking gaps too long.
Yes.
Well, ICT had a whole video on it, right? Did we
Did a
discuss
million
this, Sean,
videos
or
on
no?
it.
Huh?
Yeah, we got
Yeah.
it. We've got a fat list. We're just trying to come up with more.
Build on it.
Problem is when you have too much shit on a list, it's like you get lost in it, you know?
Yeah,
Like
is it a
what's the
list anymore?
simplest core tenets, Alex? Like if this
What'd you say?
happens, like what's the simplest core tenets? Cause I feel like at least for me, dude, when you have too big of a list, it's like overwhelming, you know?
Yeah, I mean the list that I feel like a 7-pointer list, the one that we have now, right? Is I mean you have decoupling, small open range gap, no precision, stays in fair value gas for a long time, and then the other ones are like yeah they're there. I would say they're subcategories to where like you use reclaimed PDAs a lot, you have larger tracements, and you don't run
Yeah.
liquidity right away.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I would say the last three are kind of subcategories, not subcategories, but I feel like it's not as. I mean, then you also have like the stuff where the candles are overlapping each other, right? Like that's also a signature of it.
Like the 10 fucking 20, 10:30 to like 10:50 basically.
Yeah.
Where just like you don't create, like the video he made about first presented and applying it to every fractal an hour of 15, like. You could apply that same theory of like, hey, if you have a tiny first presented or no first presented, you could apply it to a 15-5 hour time frame too.
Yeah. Or it doesn't even have to be a fair value gap. It can be any PDA. First
Yeah.
presented, any PDA.
I mean, wicks are basically fucking fair value gaps.
Yep.
Trading into a nice market maker block on the 5 minute.
But yeah, closing down the stream.
Hey, yo, stream. We'll catch you later.